Hello everybody. So, I'm out in the garage, which is where I have the gym. Probably seen it a few times. What I'm going to be doing today, or over the next 2 weeks, is turning this area, which I've been working out of, into an office, which is kind of a crappy office right now. But I'm going to, let me turn this around. I'm going to, all right. I'm going to be taking this whole area here, right here where this beam is. I'm going to build a wall. It's marked out on the floor. I'm going to build a wall with a door. Picked up a door yesterday. I picked up a bunch of wood today. I'm going to do the flooring. Going to plywood the floor and then put some kind of laminate flooring down. I'm going to repaint everything, fix and repaint everything. We have the water softener here because we have well water. So this is going to be framed out for a closet and maybe a couple shelves. Up here, this whole shelf area did come out to the end of this wood right here. That's what it was on. So yesterday I cut about 2/3 of it out. I'm going to keep that just the way it is for my my lighting stuff and photo booth. And then on this side, I'm going to build another one coming out here to the new wall that I'm building. So it's going to be another loft type area up top. This light will be gone. I'm going to put some recessed lights up here, and then on the new side I'm going to put some recessed lights up there. Fix all this up. I got this wiring is going to be moved down to where you can't see it. I'm going to put an outlet over here behind my desk, and probably another one out here just for the water softener, which will be inside closet doors. So see how it goes. I don't really know what I'm doing, so I'm going to kind of wing it, but we'll see how it turns out.